Welcome to the cough series part 2, where I'll tell you what you need to know about cough. Today we talk about how to take care of the cough at home. First thing, if you smoke cigarettes or vape, remember that the smoke will make the cough worse. So it's crucial that you don't expose your child to smoke. Now, secondly, don't waste your money. Cough medicines are not useful in treating cough in children. In fact, recent studies suggest that some cough medicines may be harmful to younger children. Cough medicines should not be used in children younger than 6 years old. Children older than 6 years old should only take cough medicines on the advice of a health professional. Still, there is no great scientific evidence that cough medicines will be helpful. So, what to use? Honey, and there is evidence that it can reduce the severity and duration of cough as a short-term solution. 1 to 2 teaspoons 30 minutes before bedtime. Try. Only in children older than 12 months. Next time I'll tell you when you should visit a doctor with cough.